going on, everyone? We have an uptrend in the repo market yet again. We started the week at 1391, up to 1466, 1520, and then today we're up to 1,584,097,000,000. This may be the record. I'm not sure, but the fact is we had less counterparties than yesterday, and we have about 64 billion more in demand. Let's go ahead and export this to Excel real quick, just so I can see what the record is. This may be it. This may be it. Nope. The record is 1604. So we are approaching the new record. So we'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow, but I think we could see a record breaker tomorrow at this rate. So we've been uptrending all week long, and I doubt that's gonna, stop on a Friday. So, anyways, the repo market is jacked yet again right here going into the holiday season. So, yippee-yi-yay. Let's go. Y'all have a good one.